Hello friends, welcome to English Catist. Today we want to talk about numbers, okay? It's an easy topic. I want to start from 1, our first number for counting. So, I read them, you can repeat after me, okay? Let's start. 1, 2, 3. Be careful about that. It isn't 3, it is 3. 3 has another meaning. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. And after that we know that it's continue like 31, 32 till 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 and 100. I want to say a point here. For the numbers over 20, like 21 or 99, we use hyphen, this one. Like I write here 99. Be careful about that, okay? Or here 21. That's the point. Now we want to learn about larger numbers. Let's start with the first one. Look at here. It is 101. Okay, so you can see that after 100 we use the word and, 100 or 101. The other one, 140. So we write the first number like here 1. After that 100 and the rest of the number, you know that it is 40. The other one, 200. Be careful about this point. It isn't 200s. It isn't plural form, okay? We don't use s here. 200. Here 1,000 or 1,000. For example, here 1,050. So we have a point here. In numbers over 999, we use comma. For example, here 1,050. This is our comma, okay? Or here 1,250. Here again we don't say 2,000s, we don't use s. 2,000. Here, look at here, it's an important number. At first we are in the thousand part. What we have in the thousand part? We have 100. So we have 100 because we are in the thousand part, so it is 100,000 or 100,000. Look at here, 1 million or a million. 2 million, again we haven't got s. And at last we have 1 billion or a billion. For learning better, I prepared some examples here we want to do together, okay? Let's do it. The first one. We are in the 100th part, so I'll start with a or 100. 100 and 20, we need hyphen 5. Okay? The other one. The first number is 6. After that, we need 100. 600. So, here we need and 89. Our next number. Okay, now we are in the 1000 part. You can see the comma. Okay, so I start with 3000. After that, we are in the 100 part. 500 and 98. Okay, and the last one. We are in a million part. A million. After that, we are in a 1000 part. 45,000. Now, in the 100th part, 900 and 82. It is very, very easy. You can see it. Just be careful in which part you are. Here, 1000 part, million part, or 100 part. Okay? Be careful about parts. After that, you can read them and write them easily. It was all think about number. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please don't forget, subscribe my channel, like the video, and leave me comments. Thank you. Bye.